well. So I've decided to go outside. Now I'm back in Embu. So today I've decided to go out and in Embu on my way to Meru. We are going somewhere where you guys, I hope you're going to enjoy. Somewhere outside. Yeah. So it's a bit windy, but I hope my microphone will capture the sound correctly. So we are going somewhere, and you guys, it's a quick vlog. Because here is my driver. I will let him concentrate. Because we are moving somewhere. So enjoy the journey.
Umeshindwa kuinama.
Nimekama na kioo juu. Unakuja na kioo juu. Hata nigeuke.
Nishuke.
Usikie? Usikie
wewe. Unaona hapo umeshindwa kuinama.
Usikie wewe ingia na kioo juu. Ana ujui hivyo.
Uizi hiyo itakuforce.
Itabidi ushuke nigeuke kama
Today I've not, it's another day, but I've not worn a sweater. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. So we're going to somewhere in the forest. It's called DB. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog. Yeah. So I'm waiting for my driver, Izo Creation. Izo Creation is a photographer. I'm waiting for him to turn. He's not yet a pro. He's a beginner like me. But I don't know how to ride a motorcycle correct. I'm telling them you're a beginner. Yeah? I'm telling them you're not yet a pro. But you're trying. This is day 5. The next 10 days will be good. The next 10 days. I don't know why. The next 10 days will be good. It will be good to go. Huh? By the way, it's been long. Sijakuja hizi side sana. Mekauka. Watu wanaingia kama ulikuja mara mwisho lini? Hapa nilikuja kitambo. Jaribu. Mzee. Gani sasa? Unataka kunipeleka Exile?
Manze nimezoea hii break hadi.
Ndio maana uliikata. You should practicing using the foot brake, because that one is the safest.
But not a simple thing unajua.
Because it's the safest.
Unafaa kuwa na board.
Yeah, but the foot brake is the safest, by the way.
Si safest.
Because you're doing it with your foot.
Si safest. Unahitaji tu board.
As you can see, I told you guys we are going outside.
Tumefika, shuka sasa tuingie.
We are going outside. I'll let him go. What happens here? I don't want to show them that one. People are seriously doing this stuff.
Sasa hapa nikicheza naanguka hadi huko chini.
Haiwezi, utacheza na wewe. Si unaweka free. So we are in the forest and this is
It is called Iveche. You can see this place. At least sometimes I take a break and come to chill here. Here is my designated driver, Izo. He's a pro. He's a pro in everything.
This place is cool. This place is cool, guys. Let me close up my trouser. I can put my camera here down. My sweatpant, my velvet trouser. It's not it was not tight, so I had to make it tight. I can see it's getting dark, guys, and we're outside to enjoy the nature. Sometimes it's good to enjoy the nature, come and chill, and the nature, I mean, nature is everything. It's everything, and nature is cool. This place is called Iveche. There is a waterfall down there. Are we going this way? Downwards? So you're coming? So sometimes it's good to enjoy the nature. I've carried my camera on my backpack. Every day you see that I have this backpack. I've carried my camera. I always carry my camera because Unakam? Yeah. I had to ask. Okay, I had to ask him if he's coming this way. Yeah, this place I can see someone has
It's someone's shamba. If I'm not wrong. You see, someone's shamba. So we're going down the river, see how the waterfall is. The last time I was here, it was like 2 years ago or 3 years. Remember there is a quarry over there. There is a quarry over there. Don't know if I'll go there. Yeah. So I'm going to see how this place looks like. So I'm taking you guys
here. Now there's enough light. My camera is not dark like it used to. Yeah. So I'm doing good, by the way. I hope you guys are doing well as well. And here is the place.
Here is the place. You can see how it looks. The way it looks is so steepy, and it has dried up, so there are no rains. So maybe you can go down there and you guys can see what is down there. Yeah. You can still see how the stones are so clean. There is no water. You see like this. One is so beautiful. Imagine the water is going inside there and come outside. Yeah. This is beautiful. Imagine water creating a passage through a stone. This is nature. Nature is great, by the way. So there are people down there, don't record them so that they don't get irritated, but I'll tell you guys how it looks like. Yeah. Izo is still out there. I'm waiting for him to come so that we can do something here, either a video project or anything of sort. So this is the waterfall. That's the wall down, and it has dried up. Sometimes, by the way, in 2 weeks I'll come here. This place will be flooded, by the way. It will be flooded, by the way. Right now the climate is not very good, but there is water, and the water looks so clear, and yeah, at least it's kumekauka msee. Unasema aje sasa?
Apart before as come. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Usikie kumekauka hadi before unga.
Chunga mzee.
Itabidi tushuke pale down uone view. Ushaifika hapa hivi?
Nishaifika kitambo sana.
Na kumekauka.
Like 2 years ago. 2 years or 1 year ago.
What are the causes
of what? Causes of what? Of the river. See, it's climate change. This is climate change. What are you doing? This climate, it is called climate change. Yeah? These are, you can see the beautiful places that are over here. It is called the Iveche. What did you thought you're going to find?
Oh, we say take a long exposure hapa.
It's okay, you can do it. You can do it, mse. Nature inakaaga hivyo. For sure. Ni aje? You can see how this place looks. By the way, it looks so beautiful. Kuna maji. So, by the way, I've told them I'll visit them when it is, maybe in 2 weeks. By the way, it might rain in 2 weeks. Because, yeah, it looked chilly. So, in 2 weeks maybe it's going to rain. And you can see the views. They are so beautiful. I can tell you guys I'm somewhere in Karura or somewhere in, but this is Embu. Embu, a place called the Iveche. This place looks so good, by the way. What would you tell? So we came here to experience at least to try some photography tricks, and
and take some views, you know. By the way, have you read somewhere you're supposed to copyright your pictures? Because that one is a skill. No. In Kenya you can copyright it.
Lakini unajua, ukiangalia information ya picture, mimi nimeset from the camera and talking about it.
Oh, that one.
Kama kwako inatoa.
Mine is not yet. I've not yet done that one. My camera is on.
I
can't swim. I can enter in the water, but I can't swim by the way.
Cold power.
I don't have anything that I'm going to lose. I mean, I have maybe. Have I carried my t-shirt?
Cold power, cold power, cold power. Unajua kusema?
Mimi nimekaa sana sijaingia swimming by the way. Kuzeeka na kukosa time.
Kuzeeka na wewe.
Yeah?
Kuzeeka na wewe.
So I want to try some photography here. I hope I'm audible. I want to try some photography here.
I'll just come closer.
And maybe I'll show you the picture that I've taken. I don't have a wide lens by the way.
But your name?
That
you know,
quite big, but I can put 16 mm. 16 mm, I won't struggle with the distance.
Nasema una wide na kuna 16 mm.
I've carried it. I left it at my crib. My small crib. It is not a crib by the way.
The bedroom mansion in the crib.
It's a crib, you say. As long as I don't own a house, by the way, that one is a crib.
You know it's a crib.
Yeah. I don't own a shamba. By the way, the dream is to own a shamba. A 30-acre shamba.
I want to nafikiria that mimi nafikiria 100 acres. Kwa mtu miliona alibai 200 acres.
So that's the dream, my boy.
Boy. Bado hujatoa nyota. Nikinyota nikisikia kitu moja. Bado nani alipata 50 mm 1.4?
Nani?
Nog. Sikali.
Ya
Canon sasa.
Original.
Kama hii. Sigma.
1.4. But Sigma is the same too.
Hawezi.
Is the same?
Hawezi.
Hii ni wide but haichukui huko juu. Hawezi compare hadi kwanza ya kuchukua huko hapo.
Hawezi compare.
Shida, what's the difference between the original Canon?
Sigma lens hayuko fast as you do.
They are slow when it comes to...
not like native lens.
Not like original Canon lenses. These are the photos that I'm going to add on that video. On that video, maybe I could try a reflection. Can we do up here? If you can. What should I do here? I just want to be creative.
Reflection.
What am I doing? Let me try the wider one, because so we can do the difference between a 60 mm Canon. A Canon camera is a bit the original one.
Unajua, when using a native lens on a camera, a native lens focuses better than these other lenses that you can. So kuna another view from there.
From there?
From this way, come I show you. Sasa hizi kumekauka hadi tunaweza pitia hapa. Pitia hapa.
Or from here or from where?
From there. Go through.
Quite far.
Go
Because
this way.
I'm using a...
Beba 30.
Maybe you can use your camera.
Beba tu bag yote.
Your car is well packed. Your car.
I hope so.
Your car, your Mercedes Benz.
My V8.
Your Mercedes Benz.
I hope so.
Yeah? Your Mercedes Benz is well packed, my boy.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Manze huko mahali tunapitia jo.
Nature. Nature is beautiful, by the way. But it's
cruel.
What have you? But right now it's not in good condition, by the way.
So I think the view now.
Yeah. How does it look?
Kumekauka bana. Ile ni sunset imezibwa leo.
There's no sunset.
So there is this way. One this way.
But it's getting dark, by the way.
And we are getting deeper into the woods.
Have you made your YouTube active, by the way?
Yeah, today. Simefunga YouTube ingine.
You have another one?
Atumia ingine YouTube. Sasa na check view from here. I wish kungekuwa na water.
I get it, by the way. Thank you, sir. That, you know. Now I get what you're saying. A photographer is a photographer.
A photographer is always a photographer.
A photographer is always right.
Yeah, always. See the customer.
Yeah. Customer is always right, by the way.
See customer then.
You want to try? You can put a customer.
This way.
Put it there because the light is bumping this way.
Bumping what?
Bouncing or bumping. There, I'm using correct grammar, my boy. I've been practicing.
What type of grammar?
Bumping or bouncing.
What type of grammar is that?
That's the correct grammar. I want to say it's not correct.
Shining.
So guys, we're still doing some stuff here. Some photography here. This is IK creation. IK creation. It's getting dark, by the way. You're on the safe side. But there, nowadays I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't carry sweater. By the way, it's very dangerous, by the way, to walk like this. You have a lens filter. Yeah? So this is what I'm doing here. I hope the GoPro is still on. So this is what I'm doing. So it's a outside class. These are the photos that I'm taking. Let me show you guys what I'm taking. You can see that one, another one. Let's sweep. That's the next one. You can see it's not so clear, but I hope you can see what we are doing today. These are the landscape we are doing today. This one, don't know what's wrong with. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no. Here, these are the photos that I'm taking. Yeah. I don't know why I'm losing the focus, but I hope you guys. I'm going to put them on my wallpaper or on my. I'm going to put you so that you can see the photos I've taken. for those you guys that have subscribed to my channel. So keep tuned, and I'm going to give you a lot of source, a lot of traveling vlogs, a lot of videos over there. I'm going to show you and experience the journey that I'm experiencing with you guys. Yeah. How does it look? Maybe I can try and take with this GoPro. A GoPro is such a good camera, by the way, because it's a auto camera. It works very perfect on a good lighting, by the way, guys. By the way, if you have a GoPro, try taking pictures with it. It works so good. Yeah. So we are 25 minutes on it, and maybe we gonna add like 10 to 20 minutes on it, so you guys can get along and enjoy the journey. So this is the camera I'm using. I'm using a Canon M50 paired with a 30mm Sigma 30mm, and my friend IK there is using a Sony A6400 paired with a 30mm Sigma. By the way, Sigma is a company that is a lens company. So Izo, what can you tell my people over here? Maybe you can tell them something. How they can come in such places to enjoy the nature. How does the being in the nature feels?
Human.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Somehow you reconnect to the nature.
Yeah, it makes you reset and feel.
You can't explain though.
Yeah, it's something so cool, by the way. Yeah. But there is small amount of water. It has dried up. So you guys make sure most of the time you come and enjoy the nature. I guess it's getting dark, and you guys I'm going to leave you here. Let me go to this side so that you can see the last views. Maybe I can take a picture over here using a GoPro. Huh? That's none of my business, my boy. So this is nature. Oh, that's someone's pipe. So let me take a picture over here. Let me take a picture over here. Kama ucheki sasa boda. Oh, unapiga picha. Ona. Results. Here are the results. Let me try and this is a photo. This is sick. This is sick, my boy.
Background.
Yeah. There is not enough water, by the way. Yeah, this one is sick too. Let me see. You want to do magic? My boy want to do magic using a Sony. This is a Sony camera.
It's not yet.
He wants to do magic.
Team Sony. Ah, yeah.
Sony looks pretty small, by the way. You might underrate it, but it's a beast, by the way. It's a beast, man. Yeah.
Niangalie ama ni? I know you've done magic. Hey, my boy is a professional. He is a professional. My boy is a professional. He's doing magic. He's doing magic. By the way, he's doing magic.
No, by Sony.
No,
it's not me, it's the camera.
It's a skill, my boy.
It's the camera, it's not me.
It's you.
The camera will pick up.
You can give this camera someone, by the way, and he doesn't do some great photos, by the way.
Oh,
So don't say it's the camera.
It's the camera.
No, it's a skill. By the way, I'm doing a 21 days challenge of teaching people on how to operate a camera. Have you seen it?
Not yet. No, the first thing is first.
Yeah.
For you to get good with a machine, you have to own a machine.
Yeah. But, you have to own it. But I can teach them for the time being. Maybe there are some people who want to buy cameras, and I know that.
Inspire some.
I want to inspire some. One of my friend was telling me to use English, by the way, but I don't to use Swahili.
Okay, it will depend your type of audience.
Yeah, that's I feel Swahili. It's good to use Swahili to the local people that are listening to me.
Who is local? Not local. To the people who only use Swahili.
Locally, yeah, the local people that listen to me. They are local because they are within my reach. Residents. So you want to teach me English? You're teaching me English.
Stop.
Yeah. I saw he's trying to teach me English, but it's okay, by the way. By the way, it's okay to listen to people, get views. When you're wrong, you accept that you're not correct.
Every day is a learning day.
Yeah, every day is a learning day. Yeah. My camera is on.
So kuna another part of the waterfall pale.
I've been there. By there, Okay. So you guys, I'm going to leave you here. Maybe the next thing I'm going to do is take some photographs, and you guys will see in the next one. Peace out. Peace.